1xGames is a section inside 1xBet with fast and fun games like card battles, D's, Crash, and instant wins. How to play? Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to Registration. Choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. First of all, go to menu, 1xGames, then here you can click all to have all the list, and here simply choose the best game for you like Crystal, Western Slot or Crash for example. Then place your stake and play instantly. And one important tip, check the return to player RTP percentage. Games with higher RTP gives you better chances in the long run. It's fun, simple and a nice alternative to sports betting. So simply go to all games, choose your games and enjoy.